Hello everyone, welcome to Han Virtual Academy. In this video, we are going to share general knowledge about the world in the form of multiple choice questions. Answer to each question will be further elaborated and explained in detail to have a better insight. Question number 1. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to United States of America? So the country that gifted Statue of Liberty was France. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the French people commemorating the alliance of France and the United States during the American Revolution. The idea for the statue was born in 1865 when the French historian and abolitionist Edward de la Bolle proposed a monument to commemorate the upcoming centennial of US independence 1876, the preservance of American democracy, and the liberation of the nation's slaves. The copper statue, a gift from the people of France to the people of United States, was designed by French sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. In October 1886, the pedestal on Bedloe's Island was completed and the Statue of Liberty was formally dedicated in a ceremony presided over by President Grover Cleveland. Question number 2. White elephant is found in which of the following country? It is found in Thailand. Thailand is known as the land of white elephants. It is officially known as the Kingdom of Thailand and formerly known as Siam, is a country in Southeast Asia. The elephant is the national symbol of the country. Other names for these white elephants are albino elephants and pink elephants. In Thai culture, the status of rulers has been decided by the number of white elephants in their ownership, and they have been generally viewed as an image of the king's magnificence. In Thailand, white elephants are considered sacred and are a symbol of royal power, all those discovered as presented to the king. Flag of Siam had a white elephant from 1855 to 1916, which was changed to 5 horizontal stripes in September 1917. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? The plateau that is nicknamed as the roof of the world is Tipton Plateau. Central Asia's Tipton Plateau is justifiably nicknamed the roof of the world. Its average elevation is more than 4,500 meters, that is almost 14,764 feet. It is the world's highest and largest plateau, covering an area roughly 4 times the size of Texas. Tectonic forces have long shaped the Tipton Plateau's crumpled and uplifted mountain ridges. This scene also features some of the area's deep glacier flood lakes. It harbors the world's two highest summits, that is, Mount Everest and K2. Tibet is the water tower of Asia, and rivers originating in Tibet flow into various regions in Asia. The Mekong, the Yellow River, the Yangtze, the Yarlung Tsangpo, which is also known as Yarlung Zangbo or Brahmaputra River, the Indus and the Karnali all originate on the Tipton Plateau and supports hundreds of millions of people down the stream. Question number 4. The world's longest straight road without any turns and corners is in Saudi Arabia. Located in the heart of Saudi Arabia, the Highway 10 is 256 km, that is almost 158 miles, stretch of straightness and is the longest, straightest road in the world. This paved road links Harad and Al-Batha, cuts through the Rub al Khali Desert. It is straight road running right through the desert for 2 hours and 1 minute. Previously, Australia's Erie Highway held the record with approximately 146 kilometers of straight road, but now the title is owned by Saudi Arabia. Question number 5. The world's largest island is Greenland. As of 2021 statistics, the population of Greenland amounted to 56,421 people. Greenland currently ranks 12th on the list of the largest countries in the world by total area in square kilometers. The most prominent Greenlandic dialect is Kalaallisut, which is the official language of Greenland. Greenland has its own extensive local government but is also a part of the realm of Denmark. Fishing is still the most important driver of the Greenlandic economy. After the British rule, Hong Kong became a part of China in 1997. At midnight on July 1, 1997, Hong Kong was reverted back to Chinese rule in a ceremony attended by British Prime Minister Tony Blair, Prince Charles of Wales, Chinese President Jiang Zemin, and US Secretary of State Madeleine Albright. The chief executive under the new Hong Kong government, Tung Chee-hwa, formulated a policy based on the concept of one country, two systems, thus preserving Hong Kong's role as a principal capitalist center in Asia. Question number 7. Which of the following is the world's highest altitude airport? The world's highest altitude airport is Daocheng Yading Airport. Daocheng Yading Airport serves Daocheng County in the Gerze Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture of Sichuan Province in China. It sits at 4411 meters above sea levels and has a runway that totals 4200 meters in length. As such, it is the world's highest civil airport. The terminal building of Daocheng is designed to look like a UFO and is built to accommodate 280,000 passengers. IATA code of this airport is DCY. Question number 8. Which of the following is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. The Amazon rainforest, which includes parts of 9 countries and covers nearly 40% of South America, accounts for just over half the primary forest found across the tropics. Statistically, about 6.29 million square kilometers of the Amazon is forested. Amazon provides Earth with 20% of its oxygen supply. Question number 9. Which of the following is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Andes is the longest continental mountain range in the world. The Andes of South America is the longest mountain range in the world, stretching for an estimated distance of 7,000 kilometers. It cuts across 7 South American countries of Argentina, Ecuador, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. The Andes is composed of many active volcanoes, Ojos del Salado on the Argentina-Chile border being the highest of the active ones. The average elevation in the Andes is about 13,000 feet. The only mountains that are taller than Andes are the Himalaya mountains and their adjacent ranges, including the Hindu Kush. Question number 10. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? So there were around 51 countries that participated. The United Nations was established by the Charter of the United Nations and the Statute of the International Court of Justice. The charter was signed on 26 June 1945 by the representatives of 50 countries. Poland signed on 15 October 1945. There were 51 founding members in 1945.